Here's a 6-cell battery. It looks like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here's the XT60 and here's the balance plug. It has 6 red and a 7th black wire. And for that we have this protection. It's a so-called AB clip for 6S batteries. Okay, so it has that side. You have to open it. The lower part holds the wires. It is a bit taller. That part is outside. And the top one is for the plastic plug itself. It has to enter into that cut and into that cut. So let's place it. Make sure the wires are parallel. Wires down there. And this part that has to enter into the cut there, like so, and just close it. Move it a little bit so that the wires will be in their places, and just push it, and it looks like this. And when you are plugging it into a charger, here's a charger for 6S batteries. Now, a bad part is that this wire is pretty short. Being short is good when flying, it will not move around, but it's pretty bad when you are charging it. So now you can grab the wire from a large surface and you're not pulling out the red wires from that white plastic. Let's remove it temporarily. Now I can insert it there easily, like so, and I can grab it from here and wiggle it around to remove it more easily. So that's the AB clip for the balance plug of a LiPo battery.